and its use. A growing number of doctors in this country think it does have medical benefits. Today, a report in the Journal of the American Medical Association recommends it be studied for medical treatment. NBC's Robert Bazell tonight on why this issue is such a medical and legal hot potato in tonight's special Health Watch report.
This is a so-called buyers club in San Francisco, where hundreds of people a day gather to purchase and smoke marijuana as a treatment for various medical conditions. So far, police have tolerated all but one of the 36 such clubs around the country because many people say they need the marijuana as medicine. The commentary in this week's issue of the Journal of the American Medical Association called for much more research about marijuana, especially in light of a lack of side effects.
Marijuana is much safer than aspirin.
Hazel Rogers is 76 years old.
Well, I've got glaucoma, breast cancer, arthritis, and a few other things of old age, you know, and marijuana helps all those things.
This man gets chemotherapy for cancer, and he says the marijuana relieves side effects.
In terms of the nausea, it makes it go away.
A survey 5 years ago of cancer specialists found that 44% recommended that their patients try marijuana to help with the side effects of chemotherapy. Marijuana also helps people with AIDS. Joel Whalen says it keeps him from losing weight.
This actually helps me out a lot and gives me an appetite.
Leslie Thomas has multiple sclerosis.
It keeps me from having spasms at night.
One of the problems with anecdotes about marijuana's effectiveness is that they have been just that, anecdotes. There have been few thorough studies. Lee Brown, the White House drug czar, says the government has no objection to more research.
The federal government encourages research for medical purposes.
But many doctors disagree. Dr. Donald Abrams, a noted AIDS specialist, has tried for 2 years to do a study of marijuana's effectiveness as an AIDS treatment.
The government, for reasons that are beyond me, that are obviously political, are not interested really in seeing studies that may demonstrate that marijuana has a medical benefit.
Many doctors believe the federal government fears that approval of marijuana for medical use, no matter how legitimate, will lead to wider recreational use. Robert Bazell, NBC News, New York.